Today we're going to be having the fun of opening the Snorlax GX box. I saw this, I thought it was pretty cool because it comes with this classic style Snorlax from the XY Evolution set, as well as this Snorlax GX, which is a pretty cool card. Here's the back of the box. Alright, let's go ahead and start digging into it. Alright, so this set comes with, of course, the Snorlax GX card. Pretty decent card, really cool holographic kind of film on it, and the artwork's really cool. 3 attacks, a couple really strong ones, so pretty solid card. Just put this to the side like that. Of course, this classic style Snorlax looks just like the original, updated a little bit to be more valuable in modern play. So this is from the XY Evolution set. It's a pretty cool card as well. I remember getting the original card as a kid in a base set pack and being super excited. Besides that, it comes with 2 XY Evolutions booster packs, 1 XY Fates Collide, and 1 XY Breakthrough pack. I'm not sure if these differ from box to box, but these are the ones that I got. And then of course it also comes with this giant mega size Snorlax GX card, which is roughly the same size as both of these cards kind of combined. So I'll put this off to the side. Put these to the side. And then it also of course comes with the Pokemon TCG Online code card. So let's go ahead and start with XY Breakthrough. Code card. And then we got Chespin. Another Chespin with different art. Wow, that's cool. Very similar too. Rufflet. Woobat. Another Chespin. Wow. They're all similar but different. The attacks are the first attack is different on each card, but the second attack is the same. Reverse Holo Woobat. Spupa. Stunfisk. Ursaring. This looks like an Ursaring that was in an earlier set. I don't remember what set that was though. And then the Stodrio, which was definitely in an earlier set. This was in one of the starter decks. I don't remember which one though. I used this a lot in one of my decks that was online. Okay, put that up there. Alright. So this is the XY Fates Collide. Okay, we got a Diglett, Riolu, Carbink, Deerling, Snivy or Snivy, Reverse Holo Riolu. Is this the same? Yeah, it's the same Riolu. So that's happened twice in both the first and the second pack. I got whatever Reverse Holo I got. I also got the non-holo version of that card. Shauna. Servine. It's not bad. Energy Reset. And I keep seeing the edge of the final card poke out, so I'm getting really anxious about it. Alakazam EX. Whoa. Now this is a sweet card. Full art. The holographic texture is really cool. The attack is pretty good. I like this card a lot. Wow. This card right here makes it worth the whole pack. This is awesome. Alright. Now let's dig into this XY Evolutions. Okay, we got our code card. Got a Ghastly, Poliwag, Voltorb, Weedle, Rattata, Reverse Hollow Male Nidoran, Charmeleon, Super Potion, Slowbro Spirit Link, and an Electrode. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I absolutely love this XY Evolution set. So hopefully we get something cool out of this next one. Code card. Alright, let's see. Vulpix, Electabuzz, Drowsy, Ponyta, Male Nidoran, Reverse Hollow Reverse Hollow Charmeleon, Pokédex, Poliwhirl, this is one of my favorite cards, Full Heal, and a Beedrill. So nothing too great out of those X and Y Evolutions packs. But all in all, we got this pack with a Beedrill as the rare, an Electrode, an Alakazam EX, Dodrio, and then of course the Snorlax GX, the regular Snorlax, the mega size card, and 1, 2, 3, 4 booster pack code cards and 1 Snorlax GX box code card. So not a bad set for I think this retails at like 20 bucks. I ended up getting it for about 12. But this Alakazam right here pretty much made the entire pack worth it. This is a really cool card. All right. If you like my videos, I'm going to keep trying to do as many openings as I can. If there are any particular packs that you'd like to see in an unboxing type of video, then let me know in the comments. Be sure to like and subscribe, that sort of thing. And then I'll see you next time. Alright, so now we're going to be redeeming all the Pokemon TCG Online code cards from the Snorlax GX box. I've already redeemed all the booster pack codes, and then I'll go open those as soon as I redeem this here Snorlax GX box code. So that gives us the Snorlax XY Evolutions card as well as the Snorlax GX card. Okay, now we'll go over the collection. We have an XY Breakthrough to open, so we'll go ahead and do that. Come on, give me something good. Oh, I like this Zorua, that's pretty cool. What do we get? Simisear. It's not terrible. Alright, now let's go ahead and open the XY Fates Collide pack. Alright. Hey, Bronze on Break. That's not bad. That's awesome. That's a cool card. Mandibuzz. It's not bad. So far, nothing particularly exciting. The Bronze on Break is pretty cool. A blast of nostalgia before we see what we get. Pidgeot EX. All right, that one's really cool. I like this one. And a Flying Pikachu. Alright, now the last XY Evolutions pack. Alright, anything good? Mega Venusaur EX. That's what I'm talking about. That's awesome. Paralyzed and poisoned. This is an awesome card. Take forever to get it out, but that's pretty solid. So this has been pretty good so far. All right, so this pack was pretty decent, I'd say. I got quite a bit of good stuff out of it, both on the physical side and the digital side. So the Snorlax GX box is definitely a win.